What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna crack open a bunch of Matchbox vehicles. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Mainlines and 2 from that special collector set. So let's jump right into the video with this one right here. Let's do Toyota Helix pickup. With a name like Helix, I don't know much about it. I don't know a lot about the new Toyota trucks. It kind of reminds me of a Ridgeline. But with a name like Helix, I'm like imagining it's probably an electric vehicle, but I don't know, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. All right, here we go. Oh, it has a little bit of extra plastic. Maybe it's special. All right, here we go, and here it is. And I actually do like the shape of this a lot. Like I said, it reminds me of the Honda Ridgeline. Kind of reminds me of like the Chevy Avalanche or perhaps the Escalade EXT, but I like it. It's a good looking vehicle. Yeah, nice taillights. Toyota logo looks fantastic. Good choice for rims. Nice metallic color. Side view mirrors. Man, I just love how Matchbox always hooks us up with the side view mirrors. Very nice looking details. That's a good looking truck. All right, next one up. We got a blast from the past here. We got a Volkswagen GTI. I definitely remember seeing a lot of these on the road. I mean, I still kind of do, actually. Pretty neat little cars. Here we go, cracking it open. Okay, so this one also has that little bit of plastic. That's really cool. I actually like that they do that. So I guess if you're a card collector and then later on you sell it, it won't get like damage to the paint from rubbing up against the cardboard. Very nice. Oh, wow. Nice black metallic paint, side view mirrors. These multi-spoked rims are just great. I like those a lot. Black interior, really nicely detailed. I mean, for a buck, GTI life, sick. I like little touches like that too. Really cool. Taillights look really good. Volkswagen logo looks great. Yeah, I mean, like, I really wish Hot Wheels would start doing this more. Like, putting headlight and taillight tampos on all their dollar vehicles. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue. Next one up, we got us a Ford Police Interceptor. There's the card right there. These are all on the new cards. Looks like all the all of last year's cards have been finally sold at my local Walmarts and Dollar General. Okay, so this one does not have that little bit of plastic, but it's all good. Side view mirrors again, we're 3 for 3. Very appropriate wheels. Looks good. Oh, awesome. We got a little grill guard there. You can see the Ford logo through the grill guard. Man, that's really nice. Headlights look fantastic. Like, seriously, Matchbox is really awesome. Really good cars. For a buck, especially. Look at that. Look at that Ford logo. Look how tiny it is, but how you can still read it so easily. Really nice. Oh, these are really cool. All right, there's that one. Let's see. Next one up. Let's bust out this old school Porsche. It's a 71 914. So weird. I had to pick it up. I saw this on the peg and I was like, whoa, that's really strange. What a, like, you know, off the wall vehicle to pick, you know? Like, you're over at Matchbox and you're like, what vehicle do you want to do next? You know, let's do the 71 Porsche 914. I do think it's cool, though. I like a wide variety of vehicles on my shelves and in my collection. No side view mirrors on this one, but it's all good. Oh, wait, there is a side view mirror. Dang, that's sick. So it's from the era when they only put one side view mirror. Crazy. My first car, back when I was in high school, I had an 89 Pontiac Le Mans. POS, it was junk for sure. But it only had one side view mirror. And I thought that was the weirdest thing. All right, there's that right there. Let's see, next one up. Let's do another old school vehicle. This one's even older. A 1948 Willys Jeepster. Crazy old school. Let's check this out. As you guys may know, I used to work at a Jeep dealership before the pandemic. And I used to get a lot of Jeep people in there. But I never saw a Jeep this old, that's for sure. I mentioned it on an older video, but I remember one old timer came in, an old man with his old school Jeep, and he said, everyone says Willys, but that's pronounced Willys. And I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. But what I do know is that this is an awesome little piece of old school diecast. Dig that right there? Well, the diecast isn't old school, but the vehicle is. All right, there we go. Last of the main line, we have another old school vehicle, a 69 Beamer. 2002. All right, and here we go. Let's move that out of the frame. And yeah, what a cool little Beamer. No metallic on this one, just straight up black enamel. Side view mirrors again. So other than the Jeepster, we got side view mirrors on every single one of them. Very cool. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. The kidneys look great. The grille and headlights and the Beamer logo. Let's see here. Looks pretty darn good. Tan interior, very lightweight, very light. And there's a chrome plastic base, which looks great. Very, very cool. All right, so there's those. And like I said, I have two of these awesome collector's vehicles to crack open. So let's start with this one right here. Toyota FJ Cruiser. Here's the card, number 11 out of 20. Really neat, and it looks really accurate. I see these all over the town I live in. It's crazy. Like, these are all over the road still. I see a whole bunch of these. People love them around here. Oh yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update on my personal truck as well. It's almost done. I just need to finish the interior and buy some aftermarket wheels. But it's almost done. I'll leave a picture or two somewhere in this video. But for now, let's check this out. Nice. Dope. So those are rubber tires with a plastic base. Nice tail lights. A little smudge up there, but it's all right. Wow, that front end is so accurate to the real vehicle. That is great. Great job. Great, great job. And it looks like on this one is the doors that open. There you go, black interior. Looks really nice. Really cool. That is a neat addition to the collection. I'm actually really down with that one. I think it's really cool. But this one has got to be my favorite. We got us an S2000. You guys know how much I love my Hondas. And yeah, this one is just awesome. I got a white one of these, but when I saw this on the peg, I'm not gonna lie, there was two, and I got them both because I just like it so much. I just had to keep one in nice condition in the package. Here's the box. Let's see here. Pretty neat. 04 STK. Let's move that ever so slightly. Now let's check out this awesome little Honda. That's some BBS type mesh wheels there in all white. Taillights look pretty much perfect. It's exactly what they look like. Side view mirrors, black interior. And this one, I'm guessing, has an opening hood. Oh, let's look at the headlights first though, and the Honda logo. Very nice. Looks like the headlights are actually a separate piece of plastic. Very, very nice. Let's see if I can get that open. There we go. Oh, and wow. Woo, that looks really nicely detailed. Wow. Dang, Matchbox really outdid themselves with this S2000. Of course, it got rubber tires as well, and I'm sure it rolls fantastic. Yep, it sure does. Wow. Whew. All right, you guys. that was the whole video. Thank you for hanging with me for the whole thing. I know we cracked open a whole bunch of vehicles, but thank you so much for chilling with me on this Thursday afternoon. If you are new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos all the time. And if you collect like I do, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to pulverize the like button. And I will see you guys next time.